Hello students, today let us learn the trigonometric ratios. First of all, let us know what is a trigonometry. The word trigonometry is made up of three words, that is tri plus gona and metron. The meaning of these words are tri, that is for three, gona, that is for sides, and metron, that is the measurement. So this is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of three sides, that is measurement of sides of triangles. So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which defines the relation between sides and angles of a right angled triangle. The trigonometry is used in various branches like engineering, astronomy, navigation, etc. Let us come to our main point, that is the trigonometric ratios. For that, let us consider a right angled triangle. We'll name this as triangle ABC, where measure of angle B is 90 degree and we will denote angle C by theta. For this angle theta, we have in all 6 trigonometric ratios that we are going to learn today. So the first trigonometric ratio is the sine theta, which shows the relation between the side opposite to it and the hypotenuse. So this sine theta is equal to the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So in this diagram, as we can see, angle B is a right angle. That's why side opposite to it is hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse is AC. And for angle theta, we have AB as its opposite side and AC as the hypotenuse. So by this definition, we have opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is equal to AB divided by hypotenuse AC. So this is the first trigonometric ratio. The second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. The second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. First of all, let us have the definition of its. That is, cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So in this diagram, the side adjacent to angle theta is BC and the hypotenuse is AC. That's why according to this definition, we have cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that is BC, divided by hypotenuse, that's AC. Now one thing should be noted here, that for angle theta we have two adjacent sides, side BC and side AC. But we cannot take side AC as its adjacent side, as it is the hypotenuse. So side adjacent to angle theta is BC. That's why we have the cos theta is equal to BC divided by AC. Now let us have the third trigonometric ratio, that is tan theta. Definition is opposite side divided by adjacent side. As we can observe, this is the combination of sine theta and cos theta. For this angle theta, the opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is side BC. That's why by this definition we have tan theta is equal to AB divided by BC. So this is the third trigonometric ratio. After this, we have three other trigonometric ratios which are basically the reciprocals of the first three. So the fourth trigonometric ratio is cosec theta, which is reciprocal of the first trigonometric ratio, that is sin theta. So by definition we have cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by the opposite side. So in this diagram, for angle theta, AC is the hypotenuse and AB is the opposite side. That's why by this definition we have cosec theta is equal to AC divided by AB. Let us have the next trigonometric ratio, that is sec theta, which is the reciprocal of cos theta. So by definition we have sec theta is equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So again here the hypotenuse is AC and the adjacent side to theta is BC. That's why by this definition we have sec theta is equal to AC divided by BC. The last trigonometric ratio is cot theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. Its definition is adjacent side divided by opposite side. So in this diagram, the side adjacent to theta is BC and side opposite to theta is AB. So by this definition, we have BC divided by AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios which defines the relation between angle and sides of a right angle triangle. I hope you understand this concept. Thanks for watching.